Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a very quick tip that is extremely useful if you are like me, sometimes distracted. You open your browser, be it Google Chrome or be it Microsoft Edge. I'll use Edge a lot. Of course, there are other browsers, and in other browsers, there probably is the equivalent, but here we're going to focus on Chrome, which is what people mostly use, and we'll also check Edge as it has the same feature. And I'm talking about you went online, maybe you opened a tab, maybe you opened some websites, but you just closed the browser and you forgot that maybe some of the tabs that were open you'd like to visit again. And it's not always the case that a website that you visited is something you know. It might be a link from another website that you have no idea where to go and get it. So, how does it work to get it back if you've just closed your browser and you want to go back to a website that was open a couple of minutes ago? It's very simple. Both Chrome and Edge have the same feature in the same way. On the upper left, you have a down arrow and it says Search Tabs. You can click here and you can see the latest tabs that you closed, and you can even search tabs. So if you remember the name of maybe a subject or something of a website that you went to, you can actually search the tabs, also finding whatever you're trying to get. So this, of course, uses your browser's history to work. And, well, that's how it works, and you can see the latest tabs. Same thing once again for Google Chrome. You just click the down arrow and you have the same recently closed tabs in that space. So check that out. It could be very useful sometimes. How many times did you close your browser and forgot that there were some websites open that you want to go back to? Well, that's a quick way to just go back to the latest website or web page that you visited. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.